the great Godfrey Osborne.
Adventure, walk on, my brother.
Big up, peace, enough love, my bro.
We reach it, man, we reach it.
Yeah, man, him finally reach the location, you know?
Yes, my people, you mean, check out the great JJ Adventure, you know, and give the channel the support, you know, a young upcoming YouTuber. We all from one community. It's a prosperity, you know, and blessings towards the people them out there, everyone.
The camera look better, don't it?
Oh, man.
Everything, people. If you come and see, come get Starbridge online. Everything.
Yeah, man. Blessed love, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You know, good night, wherever you're from. I don't know. It's your boy JJ Adventures TV. You see it? Big up, enough love, and want to take the opportunity to say a big thank you to my new subscribers, you know, new supporters, supporters from day one. You don't know, tune in to JJ Adventures TV. Viewers, big up on yourself, you know, enough love coming from JJ Adventures TV, right out of Jamaica. You don't know. Yeah, man, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, you know. Help me to build the channel, you know, help me along the journey. Yeah, man, I appreciate all of you guys. But today, guys, as I noticed, you know, I haven't been posting any videos for a while because I'm trying to get busy with work and so forth. But we are planning an adventure for Sunday. This Sunday, which should be the 4th, you know, 4th of February. So, if you're interested, to link up, we'll link up in St. Thomas. You know, I'm going to leave our contact in the description below. So, if you're interested to link up or want to link up, you can contact me on a number there. I'm going to do some fishing, you know. Have a nice chat with a couple of the friends them from day one. You don't know, Godfrey Osborne and a few more YouTubers, probably DJs we could link up. Hammer Road, you know, Jamaican at them best. Yeah, man, so we are planning a nice little link up, guys. It's been a while since we actually link up with the whole of the man them from day one. How we usually run up and down and go a river and go in at the hills and everything there. So all going to this Sunday. Yeah, man, so what me I go do now, I go take the time out and check my equipments them same way. Check my rod them, see if nothing there on it I want to start out, if them need greasing or nothing like that, you know. A little pre-trip tuning and check out everything. So stay tuned, people. Stick and stay with me and love the video them and like up the video them. One of my dreams to say I get all 1,000 views on a video, and when I look, I get 1,000 likes or even at the 800 likes to the video, you know. So like the video, you know, share the video, help to build JJ Adventure TV, you know. And a big shout out to Shortman. We get 3 rod bell with the light, you know. So the night time and so we have the light. Let me see if I can show you the light. See there. So night fishing, you can put on the light on it, put on the light on the rod and put on, clip on the bell on it. So you can see the light at dance and hear the bell make noise. big up shot man, you know. Yeah man, I appreciate them. And I'm always fascinated by rod attachments, you know, so respect him for that. Love the support too. Yeah man. So big up shot man. The wonderful gadgets and attachments to the rod, you know. Get a couple of things from him and a cast net next too. So and just me to find the time now, link him up, get the cast net. So we can learn to throw the cast net, you know. So big up shot man. Enough love and respect. Yeah man, so I go straight into it. Stick and stay, my people, stay tuned. Yes people, so don't pay this no mind. I use an external microphone, you know. So, and all I'm gonna need for the servicing of the rod is probably use a knife, but pliers, a screwdriver, some all-purpose grease, you know. Not the pump off my bicycle. Yeah man, some all-purpose grease. So that for now. Just that me I go use. Nothing else today. But me I go use, me just showing it. Sometimes I have to improvise my tools them. So check my rigs them, see if them want to change, if the line them shape up or nothing like that. So what me check for? What me I check for now? Me I check for the line. Like no. Like I show sign of rotting and them everything there. Check the rigs them if them scrape up. You know, cause if you know if them scrape up the line shape. Or if you catch a fish and right behind the hook when the line start, you can see there's a kind of cut up with the teeth of the fish. Kind of scrape up the line so you know that's easy for break. So you just want to check them things there. Check your rod reel, see if them alright. Check your drag, see if your drag stiff up on you. You know say the clutch them would have want a little bit of a lube to them. As I show in the previous video me service the rod. So if you don't see the one there already, you can check it out. You know, you can check out the video there. So you check the clutch them if them want grease up or if you see no rust around them. I'm gonna take off the wheel there. You can just change the rigs them to, you know, you can change the setup them. So, take off the spool and test, see if the reel will run free, you know. See if it will run free, see if it will reverse, see if it will stop. Yeah man, and here's my drag adjust. So I'm not gonna do, take a screwdriver and fill it, remove the screw. Three different reels, 3 different things you have to check for. So just stay with me and look what I'm going. Yeah man. So this fully lubricated. Right? Yes peeps, so you know I made the video a while ago. I get a call from Godfrey Osborne, you know. So what I do now, I check the rod here, the reel here. The reel here, alright. And just check it now upon it and tighten up and them little thing there. any little thing I want sort out. Check my bail if it a flick. So it a flick. It a run smooth too. Check if it a reverse. When I flick it, it stop. Aye. That's alright. Put on back the spool. That's alright. So I'm just rig up at the line here. Check the jog. Jog a work. So rig it up back, you know, my people, and jump to our next rod. And I show you a reason why me do the pre-trip, and a good reason why you're supposed to do a pre-trip. Alright? Just stay with me and watch what I go on, people. Just stay with me and watch what I go on. See? Yeah. So change the hook here. No, not change the hook now, but do over about the rig. And the hook here, you know, people. I don't know if you can see it, but the hook here, you know, have a hole through it. You see it? You can see that the hole in the through the hook here. Do a quick rig and jump to the next one them. One T-nut. Tie on the hook. Follow me and put hook in on the mouth, people. Or the line in the car, the hook slip in or a little grease off of your hand. The between the hand and the line. And once you get catch like a fish, don't do it. I do it. I do it a good while and now, so I kind of quick, you know. So if your hand does slip, you're not going to get hooked so easily. So one rod out of the way now, please. The rod here out of the way. Show this one. With that, drag frisky. Fish. Tiara pass out the road and sell fish. Fresh water and dinner fish. Alright, so here we are going now, please. This is one of the main reasons why me check my rods before me go or water. You know, before me go on an adventure, why me check my rods? I go show you. So this one now I'm a little pack up rod. You know, you need to slide down, you know. So you can fit in my knapsack or anyone I'm look up back there. Easy to carefully bring around with me. But here we go on here now, look here. The real tight body. So like the next wheel now I bust up and it just run. That's supposed to happen with this. So the real tight. I'm gonna put it on reverse. Barely want move. So you don't want to go see and just rig up your line and throw it out, and this is the first thing you greet up on an adventure. So now get down to this. So this one of the main reasons why we do a pre-trip servicing or whichever you call it, whatever name you give. These are the reason why I do it. It's either salt water go down in it or something. I know say the real them have the salt water, the rat them make the salt and fresh water, but you know, really complement salt water inside it. So if you notice, a little bit of rust, like rust mark upon the shaft, you know. So salt water mixed with the grease, with the lube, and it kind of get sticky and gummy. That causes it really to do that. And the problem mainly, bike pass. The problem really under the bale or the reel, right? The bearings, so it have a ball bearings under it. That's the problem mainly. Most of the time. We can wrong at this time, but the problem the right this so majority of the time. So as I say, let's say in the next video now, we move the nut there. You know, take off the nut. This hold down the top part, the part of the rod with the bale, the part where the bale attached to. You know, move that, take off this, and if you look closer down in it now, I gotta realize that I don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark. So the bearings not spin, so it just looks greasy, you know. It just looks greasy. I see if I can show you it a little bit better still. Yes, people. So if you look closely, the camera focus. The middle part of the bearing is supposed to move with the shaft, you know. Let's see if we can get something. Can point on it showing. Come on, focus. Now focus, people. I'll go on. Alright, but a section did it. Now show me it. Now try my best to catch it for me. Come on, focus for me. Alright, so now focus peeps, but I'm gonna show you how I go on. The shaft here how the spool go on. This how the bail go on. So the section where I spin, how the bail go on. Around that now you have the inner section of the ball bearing. You know? The part here right here, so it now spin. You know? See there? Look extra shine, it now spin. Just for you see the darker section in the middle. Would that be where the ball in there? You know? Would that be where the ball in there, and that's out here, so now the outer section of the bearing. Alright, so it now spin, the ball bearing now spin. So that sees up, so I don't know, so little salt water go down in that. Yes people, so what I'm do now, grab a screwdriver, Philip, and move the screw them and secure the bearing. You know? And also remove the switch for the reverse. You know, remove the reverse switch. Put on them there. Let me give it a turn. Once we roll it backward, it's supposed to pop right up. Then just fit down back that to catch back the threading. Yes, so what I do now, why I like use a very big pliers with me. Just put on the pliers, put the bearings right over the pliers and try to turn it, like try to turn it. Oh, a washer upon this too, you know. Washer supposed to be upon it. Now this not carry a washer. Alright, so what I try to do now, I try to get this move, try to get the bearing move. You know? Get little rope down in it or something. Try to get it more. If not, look if me have an extra bearing. Me a second, I check if me have an extra bearing, people. Alright, so I have an extra bearing. So this are the old one, this are the one I'm not have. Now match them up to see if everything are the same size. If this can fit over the shaft for this. Alright, so it fit perfect this one. And it fit perfect inside of the housing, bearing housing. And it has spin cleaner, people. Yeah. So what I gotta do now, I gotta free up this at a later date. I gotta free up this at a later date, but how I free them up, I still want to show you that. Still want to show you how I free it up, people. I'm like open the pliers and kind of put it over one side of the bird beak pliers, you know, and spin it. Try rock it, apply pressure to it and try turn it. If not, you can spray a little gas night or so. Then make it I would have cut the grease. Yeah, people. So anything you would have probably cut the grease, you could have put some of that in it. Yeah, me get a turn, it start turn, people. It start turn. So outside supposed to move, inside stay fixed. Supposed to see the whole of the ball them a roll around the night. I don't know if I can catch it because the camera kinda dark. Phone quality not so hot, you know. Yeah. Yes, my people, if you look closely, you see the inside fixed, you know, and the ball then start roll now. So that are the old one. This are the one I have as spare. Inside fixed, no, inside now move, on the outside the ball then roll around it. Yeah, so now I will keep this, as you can see, it's brand new, the grease inside like gold, you know. So now I go keep back the new one, and then this one now get some more work out of it. Yeah man, add some grease to it, you know, add some all-purpose grease to it, clean it out, clean out the old grease, add new grease to it, you know, and keep it out of salt water, because I don't know salt water do that. Yeah. Yes, my peeps. So it turned out that the knife come in handy. The bearing's real small, so now I go just use the knife and clear away the old grease, you know. So on the tip of the knife, clear away the old grease. That grease yeah contaminated the knife, mix up with salt water, so if you don't move it, it'll go seize up back because it's salty knife. And if it not roll smooth, it best to change it, you see it. And it a roll smooth, it's just that the grease clog up between the balls then, so they never do a roll. You man see it, so amount of grease that come out from it and dirt, you know. Only for grease that paper. Dirty. Yeah man. And this a roll smooth. So the same knife now I go back in the grease, all purpose grease, and just go crazy with the grease inside it. Make sure say it well low. Yeah, Yes, my people. Big up everyone on man. Appreciate it. You see it, and if you have a rad on one fix, who the near to Kingston or even in St. Thomas, you can link me up. As we say, I leave a number in the description. And only way me I gonna know, say yes. You know? Or if you don't watch the video right out, you know I go find out, say yes, JJ Adventure, say how him fix fishing rod, you know? Watch out the video, people. Yeah. So right now, when I drop in this, I'm supposed to see progress. So I put in back the bearing. Two screw secure it. Find them screw there. Yeah. One dot. Two dot. Yeah. Now the switch. The reverse switch. So that goes that. That goes that. Put on back the screw for this. Then that little spring attached to it. Put on back the top. Get the nut. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, you know. Any advice you can leave it there, so you will draw back the pliers now. Tighten this tighten anti-clockwise, pull clockwise, you know. So now this is supposed to roll smooth. So when I talk about tips, that's why it's good to service your equipments themselves. Trust me. If me never say me I go service them here with the link of Sunday, I'm not gonna lie to you. This would have given me a problem, I see. You see, whether I'm fishing or not, this would have given me a problem whenever I take it up to go fishing. So if on a Sunday, I figure that out, I figure it out on the next day. You see it, so you just touch it and the rod start roll. You know? And hit a stop. Try the reverse. The reverse. If you learn something out of the video, just comment. Just comment you teach me something, you know? Just comment that in the comment section. If you like what I do and I actually teach you something, you know, how to service your rod. Put on back the gear. The gear here, people. Little gear here. And it make you hear the sound when you drag. When the drag run off. Inside of the they really have a little thing over here, so a little point stick out. But it run between the teeth of the drag. The gear on the shaft, on on the spool shaft that run and click over the teeth of the gear then so you can hear it. So hear it. Yes, speeds. So that and the clutch them lube them alright. Now open a salt water there now it's still but it lube and it oil it grease it too. No have no water in it. So that then grab my hook pan and throw on a hook on this. Yes. So the rail here active again. It's active again. So it's good to check your equipment them before you go on an adventure. Don't say you use it and you put it down in a good condition because you never can tell. Me put down the rod them in a good condition because we just use it and wash it off back with some fresh water and put it down. You know? But when you're done fishing, like when you finish fishing, if you have like WD-40 or Chemo Loose or so, you can spray that. You can spray a rod in that inside, make it reach inside of your reel. You know? Something will contain oil, something containing oil. You can use that. Not necessary to cut all of the grease. You know, just something to keep it lubricated. So this and then on the dragger work. Perfect too. You hear that? Yes, I'm gonna go rig up this real fast too. Rig up there real quick. Yeah. Get the hook out of this. I feel like I'm gonna put the sink up on the line here though. So I'm just gonna get a nice hook. Put on a nice hook on the line here. Fair enough size. Catch fish. And I need a bigger hook pan. So get a hook. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw out the line through this one. That is it. That is it. So, 2 out of the way, people. Now, this guy. Inspect it from the outside first. You can see now the chafing like aluminum or some other thing because already the real aluminum. Loosen that. Check the drag. This the radiator gonna make nice though, people. Oh, gonna make nice. So drag a work. The reverse. and it will stop. What you can do, take off the rail and look inside of it. See what going on inside of it. This one look what going on inside of it. This, alright. That one here, alright, people. That one here, alright. Yeah. It's alright. And the rig look intact too. I'm gonna have to change nothing from that one. Hook. Alright. Yes, my people, so like this now, the extra bearing there, can put it inside of my bait pan. So it's easier to find, huh? And I have two pliers to my bait pan too. Me and my mother old pliers them what she used to make our bead chain them, you know, when she have our wires them twist on her, make our ends them. So them are our old pliers them. Alright, a nice twisting pliers, you know, like twist the wire and the next binding pliers. You know, banding. Yeah. And it have a cutting part to it too. So them are good. And this now, to catch a fish, you can push it down in the fish mouth and just unhook the hook and let it go. Yeah. So that's it for now, peeps. Liquor rod here now, girlfriend rod. It's alright. So now I'm gonna trouble this. Now I'm gonna trouble alright, so I'm not gonna trouble it. Yep. Yeah. Alright, so I hope them going back in that. What else? What else? Yeah, better that now. Yes, my people. Enough love and respect, man. You know? Thanks for watching the video. You know, just share, just like, share, comment, you know, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. JJ Adventure TV is it. Stick and stay, my people, and journey me on the wonderful adventures them journey with me. Yeah, man. Enough love, my people, all the time. See it? Big up. Peace.